Hello, if you want to turn on always on display on Poco C75, you can do this but only by using application from Google Play Store. So open Google Play Store, click on search and input this phrase AOA, and you will have to get this application. So let's download it and open. Click Let's Go, tap Allow Now. From this applications, select AOA, click on Switcher and go back. Now, go back again, click to Allow Now, and select AOA application from the screen and click on this switcher. Click on this icon right here and wait few seconds. Then we'll have to click on this place. And right now just go back again, click consent, and right now we can already try, we can lock the screen, and there we go. As you can see, there is always on display, but you can even increase brightness of the always on display. So let's go back into this application one more time. We will have to go into settings, I believe. We just have to find the brightness adjustment, and it's right here. There we go. Click OK, lock the screen, and that's how we can actually get always on display on Poco C75 thanks to this application.